Hi, my name is Chloe and I work for Chicago Public Library. Today we'll be making sheet pan chow mein from the book To Asia with Love by Hetty McKinnon. To Asia with Love is Hetty McKinnon's third cookbook. Using her experiences growing up as a Chinese Australian girl, McKinnon crafts great comfort recipes that are usually vegan or vegetarian. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, I prepped all my ingredients beforehand because the recipe comes together rather quick. This recipe serves 4. You will need 1 bell pepper sliced, 1 carrot sliced, 1 broccoli head cut into florets, a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, extra virgin olive oil, 9 ounces of dried thin egg noodles. I'm using 2 packets of ramen, 1 can cut baby corn drained, 5 ounces asparagus with the woody ends trimmed, 1 scallion, handful of cilantro leaves, 2 tablespoons toasted white sesame seeds, and sea salt. For the soy seasoning, you'll need 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, tamari, or coconut aminos, 1 tablespoon vegetarian stir-fry sauce, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, and 1 small garlic clove. Add the bell pepper to the sheet pan, then add the broccoli and the carrots. Add the olive oil and sesame oil. Add some salt and toss to coat. Bake in the preheated oven for about 10 minutes or until the vegetables start to soften. While that's cooking, mix all the soy seasoning ingredients together. You'll also want to cook your noodles. I used ramen noodles, but if you want to veganize the recipe, you can use wheat noodles. When 10 minutes is up, take your vegetables out of the oven. Put the asparagus on the pan, as well as the baby corn. Add your egg noodles, and put back in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, here it is after 18 minutes, looking pretty good, kind of crispy. Then add the soy seasoning sauce. Add the cilantro and the green onions. Add the sesame seeds. And toss to coat. Okay, let's try